Hi, Walt McGuire here with Rocketgraph, and this is the next video in our 2-minute tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to load the demo data that we include with Rocketgraph. One of the most annoying things about trying to pilot or test a new analytics product is when they ship it to you and they either have no data or a Hello World dataset that doesn't have anything interesting to find. Our team searched long and hard and has located some data that actually has interesting patterns in it. We've included those with the product and they're available for easy load right through that button right there. I've already loaded one. I've loaded the financial transaction data. It's a synthetic data set created by IBM researchers that has patterns indicative of fraud, but they're not that easy to find. So you get to put on your Sherlock Holmes hat and actually do some searching. We're going to load the net flow data, and while that's loading, I'm going to show you how to browse a schema for your graph. Loading the data is easy as selecting this and clicking right there, and it's going to load behind the scenes. While that's happening, let's have a look at the graph for the money laundering data. Pretty simple stuff. I've got accounts as nodes, and I've got transactions as edges between the nodes. So there are patterns of fraud in here. They're not that obvious. This will be fun to work with. Let's do a refresh now. Let's see if I'm ready with my I now have my net flow data. We're going to talk about that a bit. This is a synthetic data set published by the Los Alamos National Lab. And this lets you look for things like pass the hash attacks in your data. Net flow data, again, pretty simple schema. Devices or nodes. I've got my net flow as an edge. And you can apply some interesting time series questions here. We actually have some pretty fine-grained stuff you can do for things like temporal triangle searches. You will find interesting things in here. We know we work with this data every day, and there's some great stuff to work with. From here, you can click on Data Explorer. You can start to ask questions. You can write queries to your heart's content. I'm going to cover these in a future video. So enjoy, and we'll see you soon in the next recording.